What is the title of our lesson today, Omar?
1.1 integers, part 2.
All right, so we've already done the first part of integers. Now we're on the second part of integers. You can now do what? Janice, what can you now do? What is the I can statement?
Compare orders of integers.
I can compare and order integers. So in other words, I can put them in order, and I can compare bigger or smaller. So part 1, vocab. To compare means to look for similarities or differences. Mathematically speaking, or for the purpose of this lesson, Abby, I'm up here, we're looking to see which numbers are bigger and which numbers are smaller. Absa, what does order mean again? Loud Absa, what does order mean, Absa? To put numbers in order from smallest to biggest. So if we're going to order, we're going to put them in order from the smallest to the biggest. Does a number line run from small to big? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, a number line. When you count, do you count from small to big?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Am I getting bigger?
Yes.
Did I start smaller?
No.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did I start small?
Yes.
Did I get big?
Yes.
Yes, I did. All right, so we'll come back to that. Here's part 2, inequalities. Inequalities are how you compare things. Best point I can make to you is the alligator mouth. The alligator mouth always eats, raise your hand, the alligator mouth always eats what, Catherine? The bigger number, right?
Yeah.
The alligator mouth is always going to eat the bigger number. So I have the number 6 and I have the number 9. The alligator mouth is open. We even drew teeth with the last set of note takers there. It's always going to eat the bigger number. It's selfish. It wants to eat as much as it can. So if I move down to number 7 here, what is bigger, 1 or -2, class? 1. So the alligator is going to want to eat 1. Therefore, its mouth is aimed towards the bigger number. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Moving down to number 3, ordering integers. We just talked about a number line. We said ordering, first of all, means putting things in order from small to big. Number lines go from small to big, right?
Yes.
Okay. So the numbers 6, -4, -3, 1 are all mixed up. What we did here is we put them in order from small to big. Think of a number line. Here's my number line. Here's the number 0. Everyone knows 0.
Yes.
What is the smallest number? -4. What is the next smallest number?
-3.
Here we have a 1. And then way down here somewhere we have a 6, right?
Yes.
So using our number line, we have one in the front of the room. For every class that I teach math with, we use this number line. I don't care what class it is, we use the number line, and we can tell the order of things. Now, if the directions say to order them from big to small, should you follow the directions?
Yes.
If it says just to order them, you just order them from small to big like you naturally would. But you got to make sure you read the directions. Abdullahi, question?
No.